Yeah, we have a 2010 Tiguan Volkswagen, not starting. It was actually towed here. He was out driving, and actually the battery also died on it. He tried to boost it. It just towed it back, asked me if I have a look at it. Normally I do not work on Volkswagen or Audi. I just don't like the engineering, and everything is a specialty tool. So you're constantly buying tools every year to try to keep up working on these vehicles. So normally I say no, but I figured, okay, I'll take a look at this one and see why it doesn't start. I'll let you listen to what it sounds like when it doesn't start. I'll just turn it over. It was a short burst of what it sounds like, but to me it's sounding like it's not getting any spark or compression. Like a lot of manufacturers, they're getting away from timing belts, so they're putting timing chains in. But of course, Volkswagen also did the same thing, timing chain, not belt. But they do have a tensioner, and I don't know if it was ever changed. So they have a chain tensioner, and it should be replaced before, and I say not after, not on, before 100,000 miles or 160,000 kilometers. This vehicle has 170,000 kilometers, just under, a few more kilometers than it'd be at 170, it's 169 and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so when I say it should be changed before 160,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles, like probably way before that. And this has not been done, and I'm guessing the chain tensioner went and the chain has jumped timing or broke. Something's wrong there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I got any compression, see if the valves are bent. To do that, I got to take just a cover off of this. I got to pull the spark plugs out. So I'll bring you in a little closer. Okay, I need this light further down here so I can see what I'm doing. That should be okay for you guys. Okay. Take the wiring off. Okay, in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, before I pull the plugs out, I'm going to just blow down there so any dirt doesn't fall into the cylinder. Okay, we should be good. Plugs looks like they've been in there for a while. Carboned up, this should be fine. That one's not too bad. Okay, we'll take a look down the cylinders. Let's get these tools out of here. So I did a compression test on all 4 cylinders, 0 compression on any cylinder. And I took this to check what the inside of the cylinder looks like, but this is not very good. I'm not getting a clear picture. I just called a friend of mine, see if I can borrow his, and I got to replace this. This one's pretty much useless. Here he is now. Yeah, all the carbon's taken off here. Yeah. So yeah. I think I get 0 compression and all 4 cylinders, so chances are all 4 valves are bent. Yeah. So the head has to come off this thing. And a new timing. We got to talk to the owner, see what he wants to do. Okay, we're able to take pictures of each individual cylinder, and on top of every piston there's a mark where the valve hit it. So basically the head's got to come off and timing chain has to be done. So if you own this 2-liter turbo Volkswagen or a Tiguan, just don't buy a Tiguan to start with, but if you do own one, make sure before 100,000 miles, before, not at, or 160,000 kilometers before, have the chain tensioner replaced, or you're going to end up with a costly repair. I have to talk to the owner, see what he wants to do with this, and we'll go from there. I'll put a link to the camera that we used. It actually took a really good picture, which is, who makes it? Oh, Titan. It's a Titan, actually worked really good.